On dirt road in my rear view, red eyes go in the dust I kick. Granddad said, boy, them chase your sins. Thought and then some church house myth. Midnight went through a busted truck, radio stuck on the gas for him. I feel breath on the back of my neck, like the pass by the crow right here. Hellhounds on the highway, barking at my name. Every wrong turn I take, they remember every flame. Howl on my blower, claws in my mistakes. Hellhounds on the highway, I trade his prayer, hit the gas and pray it breaks. Ink on my hands from them bad deals, blood on my boots from the fireside pit. Mama lit candles on the windowsills, they run to the light when the dark gets big. Now I'm half rap, half fleeting to the night, Lord and tired of this heavy chain. Tires spin gravel like a crooked choir, while those dogs sing my same by name. Hellhounds on the highway, barking at my name. Every wrong turn I take, they remember every flame. Howl on my blower, causing my mistakes. Hellhounds on the highway, I pray this prayer, hit the gas and pray it but. If I stop, do they catch me? If I kneel, do they fade? Is there mercy for a fool like me who learned too late how to pray? Oh, hellhounds on my highway, barking at my name. Every wrong turn I take, they remember every flame. How on my blower, causing my mistakes. Hellhounds on the highway, I keep on driving till grace outruns the chase.